We're gonna discuss how to create a Docker some installation. So first we have to go over AWS console and click instance running. Launch instance. Choose Ubuntu 20.04. Next configuration. Number of instance 2. Added storage. It is sufficient for this tutorial. Configure security group. By default in this video we're gonna select all traffic anywhere. Review. Everything is okay, then launch. In my case, previously I generated a SSH key. So in this video we no need to generate any key. So if you want to know how to create a key from AWS, so check my previous video and launch instance. Go to service, EC2. Assign to different name Knode for master and slave for slave. In my video I'm using Docker master. And next one Docker slave. Shit, some kind of name will make some trouble. So again, Docker slave, then go to the putty, and first we have to log in with our master instance. Next, browse, and the key. And this for this terminal, I'm using white color by systematic color. So accept by default name then true. Again, log in with your Docker slave. Go to the slave master, go to the slave one, and copy the IP address of Docker slave. This is a Docker slave, and next to the theme is new season. And paste. Go to the SSH key, and in for this purpose, I'm using black terminal. Usually identify this. Yes, this is my slave. So, can the key. Okay. Uh, my tool instance is ready for initialization of Docker Swarm. Yeah. So this is ready. So first we have to log in sudo, and next one is sudo sudo cd cd clear. Time to install Docker. So first we have to do these things for two instance. Copy nano host. In that case, we have to initialize our instance for configuration. So first we have to copy the Docker slave. So slave. So I'm to change the something there, and this is my master. So we can go to the instance. Go to the slave. Oh, sorry, this is my slave. I have to go master. Unfortunately, this I'm lucky to see the mistake. So go to the master. Save the IPv4 private IP, and again to change the IPv4. Yeah. So copy first one, the manager. Again next, copy the worker, save the things, Same thing we have to do with our slave. So again go to the slave, etc, and slave. Smart trick, please copy the things from here and find next instance exit. You have to put your update in instances, update, update, and copy, update. Now go to the next point, common, and this is our next thing. So add the key for download the Docker, copy, fine. And now we have to install the stable version of Docker repository. Stable, again go to the slave, same thing here, and verify the repo. Copy the things here, shipped. Yeah, repo is done. Go to the slave, same thing. Yeah, your repo is done. And install your Docker from repository. Same thing for your slave. Enter, enter. Yeah, fine. Now you have to initialize your master node. So what we have to do, we have to change the IP address, the private IP address. So this is your master IP address. We have to copy your master IP address and change the thing. So just paste here and Docker swarm init to your master node. Okay. So copy the command and go to the master, shift, and mistake. Okay. Hit enter, and this is your token for join any node as a part of this one. So copy your code from here and paste it. Yeah, this node join as a small marker. So the lab is done. So this is the whole thing what I want to share with you guys. So I want to check about my status. Um, this is our master, this is our slave. So in that case I want to check node ls. Yeah, this is our master ready, the leader, and next one slave. So if you have any doubt, then go to the instance. This is our slave. So If I go to the slave, this is our slave private IP address. So hit for slave, and this is our slave IP address. So this is the whole thing, but I want to share with you how to install the developer form in your AWS or another cloud platform. Thank you guys for watching this video.